should know how to do this by yourself. But I'm here for support. Alright. What do I do first? What's in the bars? What do I get? -4 in the bars. So therefore, this -7 plus 3 is -4 in the bars. So you take it out, and what do we get? 4. Then you drop down everything you haven't used. Is the -10 in the bars? No. So it stays as -10. Some kids are like, let's put bars. And it's like, nah, there are no bars. You don't just put bars. And what's our answer? -6. Okay, cool. Nice, good job. -3 times 4 minus the absolute value of -7 plus the absolute value of 13. What should we do first? There's a couple things you can do first. What do you want to do first?
The bars.
The bars, okay. We'll do that later. Not yet. All right. So if I drop down each number from the bars, what's the absolute value of -7? 7. Plus, what's the absolute value of 13? 13. Drop down the minus. Let's do this math. What's -3 times 4? -12. Because this means multiplication, right? They're parentheses. All right, now what? Subtract. Keep, change, opposite. Very good. So let's do keep, change, opposite with this. So do keep, change, opposite with that. What did you get? 32. 32? Okay. All right. Huh. How do I rewrite this? -12 plus -7. What is -12 plus -7? -19. Adrian, focus. Because what is your answer? So why are you on your iPad? I mean, you shouldn't be on your iPad. But if you're going to be on your iPad, then that means you're way done, right?
No.
Okay, don't be on your iPad. Do I add or subtract these? Subtract. Yeah, no, we know. What'd you guys get? -6. How many of you got that just before I did? All of a sudden. All right, cool. What if I give you -25 divided by -5 minus the absolute value of -10 minus 3? Ooh. Ah. So do you realize, like, we're putting everything you've been learning for the past 3 weeks together? Like subtracting integers, dividing integers, and absolute value. And in high school, you'll do the same thing. They'll get longer and harder, but you'll be using things I've been teaching you for the past 3 weeks. So we got to make sure we understand how to use the Dorito man. You have to understand how I hate subtraction. All of that will come into play in high school. You will always remember me as a teacher who hates subtraction. Hopefully. All right. So what do you guys want to do first? The bars? Okay. well, that makes me sad. So rewrite this before I do. Practice rewriting this before I do, because this makes me sad. Keep, change, opposite. With the bars. Bars still stay there. Keep, change, opposite. So hopefully you wrote that before I did. What'd you get? I don't know. I make these problems up and I don't even know the answer. Okay, what's negative 10 plus negative 3? That's negative 13. But I still have the bars. Now you ask yourself, what's the absolute value of negative 13? 13. So that's this problem, right? That's 13. That's 13. Keep, change, opposite. You add them because they're the same sign. Then once you take the absolute value, you get 13. Now you drop down everything. Then you do this math with your Dorito man. What's negative 25 divided by negative 5? No. 5. So there's like different problems all at once. We're going to be doing order of operations next week. This is very much like order of operations. All right, well, this makes me sad. So, how do I rewrite it? Yay, happy teacher. I'm happy because there's an addition sign. But are we really adding? No, because the signs are different, so you're going to be subtracting. But you're like, Miss O'Malley, you made me change it from subtraction, and now we're subtracting. Yes, we are. But I need you to change it. The reason I need you to change it is so that you see that we have negative 13. You don't see that you have negative 13 until you change it. And then what is our final answer? Negative 8. The signs are different, so you subtract. There's no more bars. We got rid of the bars a long time ago. So don't use them. All right, any questions? Okay. Woo, that was great. Okay, so looking forward to this. Oh, before we do that, well, you need to find I'm fine. This trick or treat paper, like this one. Huh. Whew, it's hot. It's hot in here. Let's find those. Gio, Bonnie,